Morning, folks. Kevin here. Well, it's October 20th, 2024. It's fall, cold mornings, temperatures getting down to just about freezing for the last 4 days. So we've had frost, very light frost, for several days now. And sun's coming up now, looking pretty nice over there. This time of year, it's a big push to get things buttoned up for the winter months on the farm. So over there we're getting ready to get the we flail mowed and then weed whack the sides of the permanent raised beds, getting ready for garlic and shallots to go in. Still a lot of work to be done in the different gardens and all. But one big thing that has to be done this time of year is button up the greenhouse, getting those plants set for our winters here. We never know what our winter is going to be like, but they can be quite challenging. Recently, I got some of the black currants, the bare root plants, pretty much set. I still have to put some more wood chips over there. But yesterday, Thea, Melissa, a family friend, close friend, came down and helped out with getting the greenhouse buttoned up. So that's what this video is going to go over. So we're over here in the work area now. We'll take a walk out to the greenhouse and see how things have been getting modified. So the greenhouse, typically we have rows, double rows all over the greenhouse of the various potted plants for sale. And so what we did yesterday was Melissa went ahead and Thea's still out of commission, can't really do any bending and lifting at all. But Melissa went ahead and got all the plants. You can sort of see the remnants of where the rows were all around in here. And of course it's fall time, so the leaves are falling in here, and got those all together. And the reason that we do this, I used to take the plants, take them out, dig a trench, and bury all of the pots. And that was a lot of work, and it's hauling them all over the place. And so now what we do, we mimic that same situation by putting the pots right tight close together. So that the airflow doesn't create microclimates around the roots of the plants themselves, and it simulates being in the ground themselves. And then we take some insulation, put it around the borders here, and with the ribes, the gooseberries, black currants, red currants, the willows, the honey locusts, hostaberries, the various grasses, the elderberries and the raspberries, all of those tend to do pretty well with being prepped like this. Some of the trees over here, some of our maples and all, these are all set. And so it's just packing them together and getting the soil in each pot with very minimal dead airspace between them. So that's a big part of it, and I'll show you. We put the more sensitive plants we put inside, so we'll go in there. I still have some more work to do. I've got more of the hazelnuts to finish up. I've been getting all the seeds prepped for planting, and also lots of hazelnuts in the buckets in here. I still have more trays to finish, get those all set. And let me turn on the light here. And then the fig trees over here, some of the peach trees down in here, the small peach trees, and blueberry plants, the peach trees over there as well, the citrus fruit in here, and some of the other what do we have in here? We have oak trees, we have some pawpaws, some persimmons in here. Here's some persimmons over here and all. So just getting all the plants tucked away so they could do well over the winter months in here. And so they'll go into their dormancy. So pulled a lot of figs off yesterday. There's still some figs on some of them now, but I'll try to grab those before they hit the ground and all. So that's what you're going to see in this video, is some of the work. And thank goodness for Melissa. That was really greatly appreciated, her coming down and doing all that bending and lifting, because Thea just can't do it now. And so we're very thankful to have friends. So that's it. What you're going to see now is just some of the activity of putting all the plants, tucking them in, getting them set. And so now we got to get ready to go to do some other winter prep as well. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and take care. Bye-bye now.
The leaves are turning, fall's in the air. Time to get ready, winter's almost here. Close up the greenhouse, tuck the plants away. Protect them from the cold through every frozen day. We're getting ready for winter, working hand in hand. Transplanting trees, healing in the land. Gather the seeds, firewood stacked high. The farm prepares as the cold draws nigh. The trees go dormant, roots tucked in the bed. Stratify the seeds, cold rest ahead. The tractors are clean, equipment put to rest. Everything's ready, we've done our best. We're getting ready for winter, working hand in hand. Transplanting trees, healing in the land. Gather the seeds, firewood stacked high. The farm prepares as the cold draws nigh. The crops are turning, the garlic's going down. Bare root trees are waiting, soon they'll meet the ground. The food forest whispers, see you in the spring. But now the colds are coming, we prepare for everything. We're getting ready for winter, working hand in hand. Transplanting trees, healing in the land. Gather the seeds, firewood stacked high. The farm prepares as the cold draws nigh. Cover crops are turning, the garlic's going down. Bare root trees are waiting, soon they'll meet the ground. The food forest whispers, see you in the spring. But now the colds are coming, we prepare for everything. We're getting ready for winter, working hand in hand. Transplanting trees, healing in the land. Gather the seeds, firewood stacked high. The farm prepares as the cold draws nigh. Cover crops are turning, the garlic's going down. Bare root trees are waiting, soon they'll meet the ground. The food forest whispers, see you in the spring. But now the colds are coming, we prepare for everything. In the sun's warm embrace we find our way, harnessing the light of every day. Wind and water flowing free, nature's gifts for you and me. From the earth beneath our feet to the sky so wide and sweet, we gather all that nature gives. In the balance our future lives, using that in what renews in the earth and in the sky so blue. Every resource every service wise. For a better world, we realize, use and value, let it be a gift of life, sustainability. From the forest, deep and green, to the rivers, pure and clean, we cherish what the earth bestows. In her cycles, wisdom grows. From the smallest blade of grass to the mighty mountains vast, we learn to give and take with care, for a future we can share. Use and value what renews in the earth and in the sky so blue. Every resource, every service wise. For a better world, we realize, use and value, let it be a gift of life, sustainability. In the heart of every seed lies the promise, all we need. In the wind and in the rain, nature's bounty, endless gain. Use and value what renews in the earth and in the sky so blue. Every resource, every service wise. For a better world, we realize, use and value, let it be a gift of life, sustainability. So we honor and we care for the treasures that we share. Use and value day by day. In nature's wisdom, find our way.